Is your Volkswagen's fuel door sticking? Yeah, mine too. And apparently it's a common problem on a lot of Volkswagens. Pretty much the only way to get rid of it is to replace the actuator. The actuator is going to be that little knob right there that spins and locks the fuel door. We're going to need to take this thing apart, but it's not that hard. That's going to be a T20. If you're stuck at the gas station wondering how to open your door, try locking and unlocking the doors several times and try opening them and closing them. That's all I've heard to kind of get it going. I don't know what I did when mine locked up, but pretty much did the same thing, locking and unlocking, and then eventually this thing finally opened up and I was able to open the door. Just keep trying. Mine took me like 20 minutes. Okay, with the screw gone, you're gonna take the cap off and you're just gonna pull around the edges here. It helps to get this started and pull this out, and then the rest of the assembly should come out. So that's basically it. You grab it here, pull it out. It's gonna be attached to a clip inside the trunk. You got two little tabs holding the liner, and looks like it takes a Allen. Looks like it takes an Allen key on these two. Just twist it counterclockwise and they should come out. I guess if it strips, you could always just pry it off. Once you get it started, just kind of lift it with a flathead, and then you could just pop it off with one of these. So this should come off now. Okay, with those two tabs removed, just pull this down. You can even push this in and you can see it right in there. Let me get some light. You're gonna reach your hand back there. See, that's the other side of the switch, and there's the connector. Just gonna disconnect that and then run it out. All right, once that switch is disconnected, you can get in here and just pull on the wire, and there's your old one. Here's what I mean on the switch. You're gonna reach back there from the trunk and you're just gonna squeeze these two tabs and pull back, and then you're good. Picked up a new actuator from our favorite store. I left the link in the description. That's the part number right there, 746-403. Let's slap this new one on. We're gonna put your liner back, but before we do that, let's make sure this thing works. Okay. Locked. Okay, perfect. Shouldn't open. Oh yeah. Locked. Just one more time to be sure. That was it. See, that was easy. What was that, 10 minutes, 15 minutes? Not even. So yeah, guys, definitely replace it when you can. My car just hit 100,000 miles, so a lot of that stuff's gonna start happening. Electrical stuff, switches, stuff's just gonna start breaking for no reason. So definitely jump on that. That was, what was that, $30 part maybe. 15 minutes of time, and you won't be stranded at a gas station looking like a fool trying to open up your fuel door. Anywho, that's all I got, guys. Hopefully that helps you. Definitely order it. Links down below. You already know what to do. Give this video a like and subscribe for more content. Peace.